Hey, in this video, I will show you how to get the notes option just like I have right here. It is basically located when you click on messages and at the top. If you want to see how I got it, make sure you hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and let's start. The first thing you want to do, make sure you have is the latest version of Instagram. So you want to go on the App Store and type in Instagram. App Store for iPhone, Google Play Store for Android devices. So when you type in Instagram, if you have an update option, update it. So after that, to actually have a note, all you have to do is click on messages and find and type the note that you like. If you still cannot see it, you want to click on your profile at the bottom right corner. You want to navigate to the three dashes at the top right. You want to click on settings and privacy, and you want to try to switch to different account types. So you can log out and log in. You can then go ahead and click on account center and switch to a personal account. And let me find where this option is right now because they're changing it. If you can't find it, you can also type in search. So personal account, so business account, switch to. Normally it was just under settings. So here it is, settings and privacy. When we go down to account privacy, here it is. You can switch to a private account from here, and then you can switch back. Then you also want to try and switch from a creator account to a business account, and things like this until it is fixed. Another option that you might want to try out is using a VPN, because for some reason this option is not available for some countries. If you're still having this issue, let me know in the comment section down below, and I would love to help you out. If you're new, hit the subscribe button, and if it did help you out, hit the like button. See you next one. Bye.